Here are the 3 new amazing updates in Guideit brand guidelines generator. So Guideit has gotten even better and is now easier to use. The first update is the font search box. So previously there was a drop down menu that you had to quickly enter the keys, but now you can simply search for the font. So if I wanted to use Inter, when I type in Inter, then I can just search, and I can also look for the weight, and then I can just select it like that. And I can do the same over here. This makes it a lot easier to find a specific font for your brand rather than quickly typing in keys. Now the next update is the ability to add up to 6 brand colors. So previously there was only 3 available, which would take up this whole section here, but now we have 6. So we have our primary, secondary and tertiary, just as the previous version. And now we have 3 additional colors, which is additional color 1, color 2 and additional color 3. And of course these work the same way as the primary and secondary and tertiary colors. So when you enter in the color codes, they all convert to RGB, hex and CMYK. Along with this, we now have different ways that we can add colors. Before we would have to paste in the color code, but now what we can do is select the color icon, and we now have the color picker menu. We can either paste the hex code in here, or we can use this eyedropper tool. So now I'm going to use the eyedropper tool, and I can just simply select a color and click OK, and then the color changes, and I can do the same for the remaining. And now we have our primary, secondary and tertiary brand colors using the new method with the eyedropper tool. And lastly, one of the best updates is the new templates available. So now you can see all of the templates have been filled out. Of course, there's a growing library, more will be added, but you can see we now have 10 templates. And the first 2, you can see there are new templates. So here we have our icons, which symbolize the orientation of the page for the template. So this is going to be a vertical brand guideline. Not only that, but you can see how it has the number 1. So it's going to have 1 page. And then here we have horizontal, which is going to have 40 pages. These were the original templates that we had, these 6 ones in the middle here. And then we have again a horizontal template, but instead we have 100 pages. So this is a very comprehensive long brand guideline. So if it was to just generate the corporate template, you can see the very clean and simple brand guidelines, basically a logo guidelines that is generated in seconds. And it also has the logos on the full page, along with all of the color code conversions and some new applications that is just automatically added. These are like flat vector mockups. Of course, you can add your copy, but you can see how simple and clean it works. And again, the fonts have been added. And of course, you can go in and use ClearSpace Grid Generator to create a clear space for this logo over here. And then you can just remove that. And I just want to preview the 100-page template. So for this example, we're going to use the tech template, and it's going to be 100 pages. So the generation time takes slightly longer, but it's still within seconds. And there it is. So you can see our 100-page brand guidelines has been created. And again, you have your prompts to, of course, go in and add any bento grids using Presenter or any logo grids using Guideit. And you have all of this comprehensive in-depth brand guidelines that you can fill out and add your applications. And you can see more flat vector mockups that have been added, which automatically apply your logos. And again, we have some simple application that you can go in and change, or adding any brand copy such as slogans. If you want to speed up your brand identity workflow, Akrivi Studio lets you generate logo grids, bento grids, and full brand guidelines in seconds. You can start generating for free with a 3-day trial. The link is in the description.